Okay, I'm in the sales gallery. This is the Central Park Damansara, the whole township. Look at the size of it. This is the KPJ Damansara that I mentioned. Okay, that is Erica, and these are all the three Queens, Vervain, Cosmos. Right in the middle here is where you're going to have like a lake, and then there are future developments right behind. And this is the proposed skydeck. Just now I showed on the video. This proposed skydeck is already under construction, and this will be the Empire City. Look at this. You can actually drive and walk across, or walk across. Access from, this is right from PJ, go to the Erica. And if you come in, you can go out, go this way, go Mount Kiara or TTDI. And if you are staying here, remember the road? Okay, this part is a road. Go up here is Lebuhraya Damansara, right? So this road, you have two lanes. Currently, this is closed. It's going to construct a new one, new road. This is the Cosmos. It has only one tower. You see that exit there? This the Cosmos, right beside is actually the Lebuhraya Damansara, and this side here, and this exit you will come out two lanes. So this is how the building will look like. One will be facing the LEP, okay? The other side will be facing the forest, the Lebuhraya Damansara side. This is one of the units for Cosmos, the showroom, type B1 with balcony, 4 room, 2 bathroom, 1,100 square feet. And the moment you enter here, this is the yard here, washing machine and yard. This is the dining area. 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms. Okay. This one is without the hackable wall. You will notice that this design is without the hackable wall. Usually you have a hackable wall. This is the living room, balcony and aircon ledge. So let's take a look. So here we go. On the right side, the yard, your washing machine is here, and you see this layout, right? The distinction here is that you see this kitchen area, because there's no island. Most of the time when you go in, right, you see this side, and then a little bit space for you to walk in between, then there's an island, and the kitchen will usually be on this right side. But now, and the yard will be behind the kitchen. But now they put the yard and the kitchen side by side. So that's why when you go in, right, you feel that this unit is big. It's very big and it's very airy. So that's why this is the kitchen here. And then we have this living room. Living room has comfortable sitting sofa right up to the TV. It has comfortable distance. I put the tripod on the dining table. I want to show you how far the distance between the TV and the sofa here. Okay, so you just relaxing on the sofa, and you can enjoy the TV. It's very far from your couch, considerable distance, so you don't have to squint your eyes. That is how big the living hall is. Balcony, and also, okay, that door there is not supposed to be here. Remember, there is a yard according to the layout. So let's take a look at the rooms. You go in here, there's a corridor here. It will lead you to the room. Right straight is your master bedroom. Go down. Let's go to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Very big master bedroom. Can fit a built-in wardrobe if you want, and also get here. Bathroom is also big. Comes with all the set, yeah. From the master bedroom, you go out. On the left, you will see this is the bathroom, the shared bathroom. The 3 rooms will be sharing this bathroom. Small room. Small, also not say really small. This window will lead to the yard, and this one can fit a super single. not just a super single bed. The wardrobe also can fit. Okay. Queen size bed, no problem. Wardrobe, aircon is here. So, and the final room is this one. Even the rooms here, these two rooms is enough. You can fit a queen size bed, no problem. So 1,100 square feet. And this is the wardrobe you can build in. That's it for the tour of the Cosmos, 1,100 square feet, 4 rooms, 2 bathrooms. I hope you like it. And if you want more information, want to come and see, want to come and buy the unit, you can give me a call. My name is Kenny. My number is down below. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. This is Kenny here from Property Stories. Bye bye.